MVNOs. Get ready to be supercharged. I'm Danielle Royston, and this is TelcoDR in 20. I just got off the stage at MWC 23, where I delivered another epic keynote, my third in a row at the FIRA. This time, I was the kickoff speaker at the inaugural MVNO Summit, where Totogi was the gold sponsor. The room was packed with leaders from digital brands, MVNOs, and MVNEs, all looking for ways to improve their business. In my talk, I made the point that MVNOs need to differentiate by delivering an amazing, personalized customer experience. And it's easier than ever to do this, thanks to new telco tech like Totogi being built with public cloud technology. I also did something you usually don't see CEOs do during a talk. I demoed Totogi SaaS software. I'm sure my entire sales team was cringing in their seats, but it was completely awesome, and I can't wait to share it with you. I turned my talk into this podcast episode, which won't be nearly as good as being there in person. Take a listen and then head to Totogi's YouTube channel to see the real video of what happened. You can find a link in the show notes. So grab a cloudy cocktail and some Totogi Dragon's Breath popcorn because it's showtime, baby. Let's take 20. Thanks, Julia. And thank you to the GSMA. What's up, MVNOs? Welcome to the inaugural MVNO Summit here at MWC 23. I'm so pumped to be here. Can you believe that MWC has finally decided to focus on MVNOs? How psyched are you to be here? Hi, I'm Danielle Royston. I'm the acting CEO of Totogi. Everyone knows me as DR, Telco's public cloud evangelist. Have you heard me talk about how I think the public cloud is a big idea for telco? Network operators, both big and small, are starting to make their move to being cloud native and using the public cloud. For example, Vodafone has a strategic partnership with Google to move all of their on-premise analytical workloads to Google Cloud. US company Dish is building their entire new 5G network on AWS. But smaller MNOs, like M1 in Singapore, are using Azure and AWS to get huge benefits. The public cloud is coming to MNOs, both big and small, but it's coming to MVNOs too. In December 2020, one of the UK's largest MVNOs, giffgaff, announced it was going all in on the public cloud, becoming one of the first MVNOs to hand its technology infrastructure and application development to AWS. Yes! But some people, not me, suggested that giffgaff had sold their soul to AWS. Ooh. But did they? giffgaff started with the traditional on-premise infrastructure like many of you. But keeping up with the maintenance made it overwhelming for their IT team, taking up to 2 weeks to provision a new server. By adopting AWS, giffgaff has been able to turbocharge their software development. They can focus on innovation rather than wasting time on hardware maintenance. They can quickly evolve their software so they can continue to deliver award-winning service to their subscribers. And it's worked. giffgaff ranks #1 in customer satisfaction, even surpassing 4 MNOs on the list. Big MNOs have huge subscriber bases, but they also have terrible net promoter scores. They own networks, but use antiquated client-server software built on last century's technology. They are enterprises with loads of talent, but tons of red tape that entrench the status quo. Why are you trying to be like them? Instead, you need to be like an internet company. Internet companies have small teams that move fast and turn on a dime. They also have virtually zero infrastructure. They use the latest and greatest technology to their advantage and beat established players who lumber along with old, outdated systems. They use the public cloud. There are 3 reasons MVNOs should use the public cloud. You should use the public cloud because the public cloud is cheaper. With public cloud infrastructure and services, there's no upfront purchase costs and nothing to install. You should use the public cloud because it's easier. You don't need an IT team to manage it. With SaaS products, the platform is managed for you. And you should use the public cloud because it's faster. You can experiment and bring new ideas to market in less time and at a lower cost. The public cloud is a gift. It democratizes technology, giving you access to world-class software at a price you can afford. So where are all the telco software companies that are building the software that MVNOs and MVNEs need that's cloud-first, open, easy to set up, SaaS-based, and doesn't cost millions of dollars to use? I don't know what those other guys are up to, but that's exactly what my company, Totogi, is doing. We are building a BSS enhancement platform to do everything that I've been talking about. Today, I'm going to give you a demo of our software because, seeing is believing. Totogi has developed a revolutionary charging as a service that consists of plan design and a charging engine. Let's start with plan design. Totogi plan design is different. Most, if not all, charging systems out in the market today that are used by network operators are rules-based, meaning code is written to define the plan, like if, then, else. Totogi is template-based. Plan designers start from a base template and build their plan from there. Plans are really just a configuration of voice minutes, number of texts, and data. With Totogi plan design, users don't need any IT people to implement the plan. It's so simple that a marketing or business professional can create the plan all by themselves. Maybe you want to add unlimited Netflix during weekday commutes to really excite new subscribers. Simply add Netflix with the specified time slots where the data will be 0 rated, and you're good to go. Once you're done, just add the price. And with the touch of a button, we've created a new plan. That's pretty great, but that's not all. We went and talked to real telco marketers and asked them how they design plans. A big part of their job is to keep up with what other service providers are putting out in the market. So we decided to just add this data into the tool. Want to know what's going on with one of your competitors? Or even another telco in another country? It's right in the tool. Because Totogi is a SaaS system, this data is continuously updated, competitive information from around the world, and it's at your fingertips. So easy. But wait, it gets even better. Other systems require a technical team to code and test. Not Totogi. Right here in the tool, we can check the plan for common errors. Did you forget to put in overages? Plan design helps the user avoid common plan errors before they are deployed to the market. You can easily work through all of your errors one at a time on your own without assistance from IT. Finally, for MVNOs, we know how important it is to protect commercial margin. Right here in the Totogi system, we can ensure that the plan being designed and deployed meets your profitability threshold. Once you've cleared all your errors and checked your margin, you're ready to launch the plan. It's as easy as that, and it only took a few minutes. Your marketing team can quickly get plans to market and attract new subscribers without any assistance from IT. And so that's our plan design system, and when we show it to people, they fall in love with it. They want to start using it right away. But let me spend a few minutes telling you about the real-time charging engine, the system that processes ratable events. Charging engines are expensive and require an IT team to set up. With Totogi's charging as a service, we've built a carrier-grade engine that's available at a price MVNOs will love. Because Totogi is born and built with public cloud technology, we can do two things that have never been done in charging before. One, offer a truly multi-tenant product. And two, offer charging as a service. First, let's talk about multi-tenancy. For the first time, MVNOs and MVNEs can integrate to a real-time charging engine that supports multi-tenancy. Instead of every single MVNO managing their own charging installation, Totogi has a charging platform running in the public cloud right now that's available for you to use. It can scale to handle 1 billion subscribers on a single instance. Because we use the public cloud, we can scale and failover instantly. Customers benefit by avoiding additional hardware capacity requirements and disaster recovery costs. There's no hardware to buy ever. Tenants still have plan design autonomy with no coding or CRs required. It's more like Salesforce for CRM or Zendesk for support tickets. You just connect your network, add your plans and subscribers, and start charging. Next, it is truly a SaaS product. We know you guys need super awesome technology at a price you can afford. How about a free tier? Just like most SaaS companies in the world, we wanted to change the way software is bought in telco. Free pilots, free tiers, no long-term contracts, just pay by the use. And so we put Totogi's charging as a service on the AWS marketplace for 1 penny. Our free tier will cover up to 250,000 subscribers. And after that, it's pay by the transaction and pay as you grow. Totogi is a SaaS product. It's multi-tenant. There's nothing to install. There's no hardware to buy. There's no IT people needed to support it. We do it all for you. And so we're giving you the power of the public cloud, the power of Totogi real-time charging, available like you would buy Salesforce. It is so, so awesome. So there you have it. A plan design system that business people can use on their own and a charging engine that's virtually free. But there's one more thing I want to tell you about, which brings me back to my buddies at giffgaff. I left something out when I told you about their move to the public cloud. One of the reasons they went all in is because they want to put data at the heart of their business. And that's the sign that giffgaff really, really gets the public cloud and everything I'm always talking about. Before the public cloud, chargers, and especially plan design system, had no ability to target and segment a customer base with the precision marketing groups required. In the sad old days before Totogi, they were stuck using systems that forced them to design one-size-fits-all plans and tariffs. And so as an industry, we've resorted to 2 approaches. 1, plans that erode ARPU to match competitor plans, or unlimited packages that overcharge customers with nothing in the middle. There's no ability to create plans that excite and engage subscribers. What you need to do is personalize your offers. Yes, personalization. I don't just think this. The world's best strategy consultants agree. McKinsey put together a paper on how 71% of consumers expect personalization from brands they select. The result, one size does not fit all. MVNOs need to stand out from the crowd and follow what giffgaff is doing. Use their data to deliver excellent personalized subscriber experiences. When I think of the most successful internet companies, what sets them apart and brings customers in droves is the highly personalized experience they offer. For example, Uber knows exactly where I am and can summon the nearest car to pick me up. Spotify finds new artists for me that I may like based on other people that enjoy the same music I do. When I walk into an Apple store, their app knows I'm there to pick up my order, and someone brings it to me. Customers love it, and it brings them back to buy again and again. These companies have loyalty numbers that are through the roof. This is the kind of experience MVNOs need to offer their subscribers. And with all the data we have about the network, about how subscribers use their devices and how often, there's no reason we can't do it too, and we can do it better. We know how subscribers consume the network. We know if they're streamers, gamers, texters, or TikTokers. This is the kind of data that can be used to deliver tailored contextual offers that increase satisfaction and drive up ARPU. Telco marketing departments can now create micro-targeted plans that are hyper-personalized down to the individual subscriber. I call it hyper-personalization. And Totogi is building this for MVNOs too. This is Totogi Auto Plan. Totogi Auto Plan does what it sounds like. It automatically creates plans. It helps you create demand and promote your products by combining your data with advanced predictive technology to serve up personalized offers and plans to individual subscribers. You start by choosing your objective. Let's set up our campaign. AutoPlan allows you to constrain the machine learning model to consider a total budget. How much are you willing to spend on this campaign? Next, perhaps you want to target a specific cohort of subscribers. We'll focus this campaign on 30 to 50-year-olds. Start by selecting which products AutoPlan will consider when it designs personalized offers and plans. AutoPlan will create unique combinations of products and price points to predict which subscribers will opt in to maximize revenue. Next, AutoPlan will generate self-serve campaigns. These offers were dynamically generated by the software. Once deployed, automatically designed offers will be sent to every subscriber in each cohort via communication channels like SMS or email. As offers are accepted, Totogi Auto Plan is trained on what works with what types of subscribers. This is a marketer's dream, to be able to dynamically create plans for individual subscribers. Ready to launch the campaign? Simply hit the deploy button. And how cool is this? Here's an example of an offer sent by SMS. When I tap no thanks, it asks me why and reinforces its learning with each user interaction. Once accepted, the Totogi APIs dynamically create and assign the new plan for the subscriber. You don't have to pre-configure each scenario in advance. We just use the APIs to dynamically create plans. Back in AutoPlan, marketers can review the take rates of the offers and the impact on ARPU over time. You can drill down into a specific campaign to review the results. This chart shows the campaign's impact compared to control group. And here we can review the results by cohort, or review the reasons why an offer wasn't accepted. These are the same techniques used by companies like Shopify and Amazon to grow their revenue. With AutoPlan, subscribers get personalized experiences, increasing lifetime value, and you turn your data into revenue. You can imagine how your subs would love this experience and how you could continuously provide valuable offers that could stop churn and grow ARPU. It's time to ask yourself, why are you trying to be like a telco? You need to use your smaller size, your wealth of subscriber data, and your freedom from outdated technology to create better, more personalized experiences for your subscribers. Be like an internet company. The public cloud is the enabling technology you need to use, and now is the time to use it. We love what we are building for MVNOs, and we'd be happy to give you an even more hands-on demo of any of these components. Let's do it, MVNO Summit. Thank you.